bounds.
Hey guys, what is up? So this is my first video, and as you guys can see, it is a Need for Speed Tonight We Ride video. And so first I'm just going to show you all my cars that I have. So I had a Nissan GTR, and then I sold it, and then I got a Lamborghini, and then I sold this Lamborghini to get the most expensive car in the game, and I didn't really like it, so I sold it and got this one back. So as you guys can see, we have Magnus, Porsche 911, Carrara, RSR 2.8, 1973, and then another version of it, which I'm thinking of selling, but I don't know yet. I just want to see what's going to happen in the game. And then my Lamborghini gold with everything. So I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. So as you guys can see, I have everything fully upgraded. And I really liked the tuning in the beginning, so I never really changed the tuning. And so as you guys can see, everything is upgraded. And then tuning, I did not touch. The only thing I changed is I go to my nitrous, which didn't change, but I'm glad I looked, is I have it all the way on power. Now the reason I do that is because it just gives me more power. And so I'm gonna go out and cruise around for a little. Right now I'm saving on buying, my brother wants me to buy the same Porsche 911 Carrara, but a different one so we can upgrade it and then we can go to the sale. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, but right now we're gonna go cruise around a little bit in the Lambo, do some races. So as you guys, if you guys didn't see it, this is the Lamborghini Aventador 2014, I want to say. But this thing is beast. I mean, like, it is beast. So I'm nowhere near like the best in this game, but I'm gonna do some races and I might lose, so I might have to restart. So I want to try to do some hard ones, but I'm definitely down to do this, so I don't know why I do that, it just makes me feel better. This is the, let's skip 5 minutes. Oh, if you guys didn't know that he's the outlaw, well, he is. I don't feel like buying a car. That one, this one is where it's like a really easy one, but for me, I just can't do it because they're so slow. I don't know, that one's just, I'm never gonna do.
Hey, you get a chance to hook up with Brent? He dropped off the bridge.
So I'm just gonna find something I can do. I probably have to do that 200 one. So for now, I'm just gonna do like an old race that I've already done or something. One that gets me like 8,000. No, except let's do it more up here in the modern. Nope. So there's just multiple laps. Sure, why not? So I am actually really excited for this video. And yeah, so comment down below what game you guys want to see next. I mean, I have a lot of games, so just comment it, and if I don't have it, then I'll let you guys know. That I just looked at your comments and I'll maybe replying to those. So first, I'm just gonna see if you guys could go down, give me a like, subscribe, stuff like that. That'd be amazing. I am really thankful for the support. So let's start this race. Assume the position, race to the finish line. Multiple laps. I just really like a sprint race where it's like straight there, no laps, just racing. But like, yeah. The Lamborghini, I mean, I'm sure you could change the tuning to make it better, but it's not the best engine thing, so. so that's the finish line. So we're gonna comment down below a good car that's underneath 200 horsepower, and I'll check it out, get some money, buy it, and then race it in the police chase. I forgot how long it was, like 5 minutes or something. But I'm gonna do another race, and then probably we'll just see where it goes from there. So, ooh, I haven't been able to get this one yet, but let's try it. Hey Gage, can you stop that, buddy? Yeah, so he's the second part in our channel, right here. Yep. He's the other breaker, bro.
We're going live for Heat 5.
Live for Heat 5.
Good luck.
Okay. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's like you have to run the lap and whoever gets the fastest time wins. So it's been super difficult for me. Just, I don't know. It's just been really difficult for me, and so. Oh, we have to beat that time. I don't know what just happened right there. I thought I was turning right, but we weren't, and that just cost me. Jeez, holy crap. Okay, so after we did this lap, then we have one more shot and trying to redeem ourselves. Okay. This is basically our last shot. If I get another lap in, that'd be crazy, but I don't think I will. Yeah. So I didn't end up pulling first right there, but I did pull third. Oh, this one's hard. Okay, I think I can try it one more time, and that's gonna be it for the video. Go here. Okay. We got this, guys. We got it. We got it.
We're going live for Heat 5.
Is there another Lamborghini?
Good luck.
guess that's gonna wrap it up for this video. But I'm gonna definitely make another Need for Speed video, maybe some Call of Duty videos. It depends on just like, I don't know how I feel, I guess. Anyways, so that's gonna be it for today. So, peace.